Hi everyone, today we're unboxing a combo that's built for serious gamers. The Attack Shark X65 HE magnetic switch keyboard and the R1 super light wireless gaming mouse. First out of the box, we've got a gray coiled cable. Already a visual upgrade from the standard black. It features a detachable metal aviator connector, chrome-plated pure copper contacts, and a gold-plated core for premium durability and signal performance. Next up, the R1 mouse box. Still sealed in its own packaging, this 59-gram ultra-lightweight mouse is designed for speed and precision. It comes in 3 different colors, black, red, and white. This one is black. Now we're on to the keyboard box. The X65 HE is a 65% layout board with 67 keys, magnetic Hall effect switches, and a blistering 8,000 Hz polling rate. The ultra-compact layout saves desk space and gives your setup a sharp, minimal footprint that's all about speed and precision. Let's see how it looks. The all-black body gives off a stealthy vibe. However, the escape, enter, and spacebar are styled in clean white for a contrast that pops on camera. Quick look at the back. Right away, you'll notice the sturdy flip-out feet, a standard ergonomic feature that lets you angle the keyboard for better wrist comfort. Here is also a spec highlighting key info, like the keyboard's 8,000 Hz polling rate, magnetic switch accuracy, or WebDriver support. Inside the box, we've got the essentials: user manual, a USB cable, and a keycap puller. Everything you need to customize and maintain your setup. The X65 HE Keyboard features magnetic Hall effect switches with adjustable actuation from just 0.1 mm to 3.4 mm, tuned with 0.01 mm accuracy. That means you can dial in every key for lightning-fast trigger response, giving FPS players and fast typers a legit edge. Let's flip through the manual. It includes combo key operations and lighting instructions. The X65 supports features like rapid trigger, snap tap, dynamic keystrokes, and mod tap, all programmable via the QMK WebDriver. The key presses feel smooth, yet decisive thanks to the magnetic switches. There's zero wobble and an almost frictionless glide. Let's take a closer look at the oil-resistant PBT keycaps. Their sculpted profile offers a comfortable curve that naturally follows your fingertips. They are more resistant to UV light degradation than ABS keycaps and have a matte finish. The base of the keyboard is fitted with rubberized pads that anchor it firmly to the desk. The flip-out feet are also lined with non-slip rubber for added grip, keeping the keyboard steady even during intense gameplay. The OEM profile PBT keycaps are durable with a textured surface that keeps your setup looking fresh and remains visually appealing over time. The sound is a crisp, refined thok that's satisfying without being distracting. A perfect balance for those who appreciate auditory feedback but prefer a quieter, more composed acoustic profile. All right, time to plug it in. Naturally, I'm reaching for the gray coiled cable with the detachable aviator connector. It just looks way better than the standard one and delivers solid signal performance. Its spring-like design resists tangling and stretches smoothly without strain. It's perfect for setups that demand both style and function. Okay, let's connect it to the keyboard and plug it into the PC. And there it is. The keyboard lights up instantly. The X65 HE's RGB backlighting is a visual standout with support for up to 16.8 million colors. The lighting is bright, clean, and fully adjustable via onboard controls or software, giving you everything from reactive wave patterns to static glow. Brightness control is simple. Just press function and up or down arrow. You can also switch the RGB lighting off completely. The X65 HE has plenty of lighting presets. From reactive waves to static colors, this keyboard has options for every aesthetic. Take a look at some of them or skip ahead to the mouse unboxing. Time to unbox the Attack Shark R1 mouse. This ultra-lightweight mouse weighs just 59 grams, making it perfect for fast, fatigue-free movement during long gaming sessions. With tri-mode connectivity, you can switch between 2.4 GHz wireless for ultra-low latency gaming, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless multitasking across devices, and USB-C for zero-delay precision. Inside the box, we've got some anti-slip stickers, great for grip or just adding flair. They are sweat-resistant and cut to fit, and hopefully easy to apply. They should not leave any residue when removed. Perfect for customizing the mouse without compromising performance, they feel soft and slightly textured to the touch, offering a gentle cushion that enhances grip without feeling sticky or abrasive. Let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. Thanks to its liquid nitrogen injection molding, the R1 weighs just 59 grams. It feels almost weightless. The high-performance BK3633 chip enables 3 connection modes: a wired USB-C, a lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless, and a Bluetooth option. Also included in the box, there's a USB-C cable for wired use and charging, plus a quick start manual to get you set up in seconds. There are clear instructions for switching modes and adjusting DPI, along with a breakdown of each button's function and practical usage tips. The manual is multilingual and includes visual diagrams. As you can see, it shows us where the 2.4 GHz dongle is tucked away inside the mouse shell. Let's take it out and connect the mouse wirelessly. It's worth mentioning that the R1's rechargeable battery is optimized for endurance, providing up to 65 hours of power on a single 2-hour charge. Connection is instant. Movement is smooth thanks to the lightweight build and responsive Huano switches. The R1 is equipped with the flagship PixArt 3311 sensor, delivering up to 18,000 DPI for razor-sharp precision. With 6 adjustable DPI levels, it shifts effortlessly between everyday use and competitive gameplay. Together, the X65 HE Keyboard and R1 mouse deliver precision, speed, and control. This duo is perfect for gaming, editing, or just upgrading your desk setup. Thanks for watching. To stay updated with our latest content, please subscribe and visit our website.